Yes, the coffee, it was originated in 15th century in Yemen. So you can prepare coffee in various ways like latte, cappuccino, hot coffee, cold coffee, various, and the most famous nowadays, Dalgona coffee. Yes, I am talking about the most trending topic, the most trending coffee, Dalgona coffee, which is introduced by South Korea and which is prepared with white instant coffee and sugar with the equal proportion of hot water, which is topped on the cold or hot milk served with ice. Yes, so I think you got the today's topic. Okay, you got the thumbnail and the title of the video, so you got it correct. Today I'll be preparing the Dalgona coffee. Hi, hello, Hari Om, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Random Clips with Pranay. I hope you are having a great day till now. A great family time and great quarantine days. So let's go to the kitchen and make some Dalgona coffee. So we'll be in kitchen in 3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, welcome to our kitchen. So for making the coffee we need a bowl, a spoon, hot water, sugar and coffee. For the time being, so we'll be adding coffee. So I will be adding 1 full spoon of coffee in this much amount. Then I will be taking sugar, because this spoon is little bit smaller than the previous one. This much of sugar. Now I will be taking the hot water and start mixing it. Hello guys, so this is the foam, the leather which we have made. So see this is the first time I have made and I have got the success. So I am telling you, don't live in task in the midway, because if you are trying you will be getting the success. So keep trying on. So let's serve it. For that we will be taking a cup. For the time we will be keeping this aside. Here is our cup, and for that we will be taking ice cubes. So this is the ice cube number 1, ice cube number 2, ice cube number 3, and milk. I have cooled it in the refrigerator. You can try it with the hot milk also. So let's have some milk.
Hello guys, so it's time for the honest confession about what I learned from my first experience. I want to share with you so that you don't face that problem again. So the first thing is the measurement in which you are taking the coffee. Take that exact amount of coffee, sugar and water, because in my first attempt I took a little bit of more water, and that the leather foam can be prepared within 5 or 6 minutes, but it took me 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, I know I was doing with my hands and a spoon, and I know that because it can take a little bit of more time, but because of taking more water, it took me really very long time to do. So don't do this mistake while you are doing it. So take the exact amount of water, coffee and sugar. So I think you have learned something from my video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for further note, and drop me a likes button and share my video as much as you can and help me to reach the first 1K subscriber. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next vlog very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care. Jai Hind.